Welcome back to Design and Supply. Today we are going to do a shirt inspired on what I did right here for a Christmas countdown. And yes, 45 days till Christmas. It'll be here before we know it. Okay, so I have the adhesive, and this is the adhesive chalkboard, and you can get a 12 by 12 of that for $2.50. So it gave me an idea, because we have the Siser Blackboard that can do the same thing. I am going to make that design and put it on a shirt. I just thought it would be cute. So I'm going to be using the Siser Blackboard, and I'm going to be using the Siser StripFlock Pro. Now on this, the reason why is because it's so good. You can layer it. This is wonderful to layer for the StripFlock Pro. You can do cotton, and you can do poly blends, but the good thing about this is you can use this on leather too. And you can get a 12 by 12 of this for $3.50. Okay, and those are the colors that I used. Alright, and then on the Siser Blackboard, a 12 by 12 is $3.75. We're going to do this one last, of course, because I'm going to layer it on top of the flock ornament, but it's going to be at a lower grade. So the StripFlock I press at 305 for 15 seconds, warm peel, medium press. And on this one, I use 275 for 15 seconds, warm peel. Alright, and the good thing about this too is this is laser friendly, so if you have those forge or laser cutters, you can cut it with this. This is also good to be layered. Now this is good for cotton, polyester, and blends. Okay, but this one you can use on leather. Alright, so I'm going to pre-press my shirt and get some of the moisture out. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use my pillow on here because I have a high collar and I have the seams right here. So you can slip it in or you can put it in the back. I like to slip it in. Okay. I'm going to start with my first layer. And the good thing about this is that my green flock is the same color as this. I'm not going to do as long because I do not want to. Okay. Just tacking these down so that way. Okay, and it'll give it some neat texture. And now let me bump my press down and then we will do the rest of it. Okay, so now that my temperature is at 275, mine runs a little bit hot, so I actually have mine at 265 just because I know it runs around 20 in the center. And again, the reason why I'm using the pressing pillow up underneath it is because I have this thick collar and edges. Alright, and I am going to do that one for 15 seconds. Of course, I'm going to have to let it cool down for a minute before I write on it. But how cute is that? And now, alright guys, I'll list everything below. If you have any questions, please let me know. Let's see if we can go ahead and write on this. It's fairly cold. There we go.